are going to love the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, navigation package, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.